So today we'll be working on this model. What I'm holding is brow tamer from Hyper Beauty. I usually like to use it to groom the brows. You can use a normal edge control if you don't have that. So if you really don't have brows, I would just trim out the ones I feel like is necessary and the ones I feel like is not necessary to trim. So I'm actually using my half razor to trim the brows because I'm way comfortable using half razor to trim the brows. Brows like this that are not really full, you just trim lightly, just excess that is growing out. So like this, I'm okay trimming the brows. Now I'm going in with my sweat block because I really want the brows to be properly mattified. I'm going in with the sweat block, so just apply only on the sweat block region, that's all. It's the only adventure that really gives me the kind of dryness I want. I'm going in with cleansing water from Julia Diamond Cosmetics. I'm using my wipes for it. You can also use your cotton pad for this. I will avoid the places at which I apply the sweat block. I will just clean the places I did not apply sweat block. I'll be going in with my under eye pouch to moisturize the eyes, and I'll leave it to stay for some minutes. After that, I went with my lip moisturizer from Nia to moisturize the lips. So after a few minutes, I removed it. I went in with my Hyper Beauty face toner to apply on the face. This skin prep is very essential in the skin because it gives the skin a flawless look. After that, I'm going in with my moisturizer from Julia Diamond Cosmetics to apply on the skin. If you observe, more moisturizer needs to be applied more on the under eye and on other parts of the skin. Do not apply primer close to the eyes, please. I'm going in with my vitamin C, and I'm applying the vitamin C under the eyes because I want the eyes to be properly moisturized. The brush I'm using is from Julia Diamond Cosmetics. After that, I went in my hydrating primer to apply on the skin. Now I'm going in with my Born This Way foundation. It's a foreign brand. It's lightweight and it blends perfectly to the skin. I had to remove the lens because she complained about the lens. Now I just blend in properly. I'm going in with concealer and I'm using it lightly. If you're working on dark skin, please apply minimal concealer. And I will be putting the concealer on the highlight region, under the eye, nose and forehead. Now to blend, you blend starting from the outer corner down to the inner corner. That was how they blend concealer. Now after blending, I just go in with my blending foam to just push more inside. Push the concealers inside properly. Now I'm going in with my powder palette to set the face. Normal powder palette to set the face before using my setting powder. This is a new technique you should know. It helps you balance your face properly. You can use a brush for this or you can use a blending foam for this. Now I went in with my setting powder to set under the eyes. The places I'm setting are the places I applied concealer. Remember, the first stage of this setting powder application is called setting. The second stage is called baking. The difference is that this one you have to blend it into the skin. The other one you will dust it off because there will be eyeshadow fallout. So after setting, I did my powder contour for the nose and then I had to bake. Now this stuff I'm doing is called a reverse contour. It helps list the face properly. Now I'm going in with my pencil. I'm using color 3 because she's dark skinned to outline the brows. Now one thing you should know about this trick of drawing strokes, if the pencil is not properly sharp, it will not work out. So I urge you to buy one packet and have someone help you sharpen it. That's the only way you could get the stroke. Now the concealer brush I'm going in is from Julia Diamond Cosmetics. When it comes to drawing, I give people that draws very well properly. So if you are concealing, you should be careful. Just bit by bit, bit by bit, bit by bit. You don't need to rush. At some point when I'm concealing, I stopped breathing. It might sound funny, but then that's the truth. Because I really don't want to make a mistake. So for the beginning side, I decided to use another shade, which is a darker shade for the beginning part, so it will rhyme with the contouring. After concealing, I don't bother concealing the top if I'm okay with it. I just go in using a razor that is not being cut to create a high arc for eyes. Now after creating that, I went in with concealer to just apply lightly on the eyelid. After that, I had to blend gently. Now I'm going in with shade yellow to just apply lightly on the eye region. After that, I went in with the orange color on my eyeshadow pack. After that, I just added a little bit of warmth. Now I would be dusting off, since there are fallouts, I will be dusting off gently till I remove all of them. Now I'm going in with my liner to line the eyes. I usually line the eyes before and after applying the lashes. Now I'm going on with my brush to just dust off all those excess. After dusting, I went with my under eyeliner from Polar Beauty to line the eyes. Had to put my lashes off camera because at some point she started tearing. Now for the lips, I went in with New Balm. This is a dry lips. I'll be applying using my hands. Now outline using brown, then blend the lips together. When it comes to blending, there's no big deal. Moisturize the lips and you go. Blend as much as you can. Had to use the back of my brush to blend too. Now I'm applying a cream highlight. It's a cream bronzer. It's from TM Essential in shade Melanin. This liquid bronzer is for people that are minimalist, that really don't like a matte look. So this is optional. I actually applied it on the places I want, and then this is the end product. Thanks for watching.